Yes, what are we going to learn today?
Adjective.
Yes, adjectives. Let us see.
Ma'am, page number 1.
No, beta, just wait.
Ma'am, which page number? Page number 6. Ma'am, which page number?
No page number. Look at the screen, everyone. So adjectives here. Adjectives, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Yes, adjectives are describing words. It's naming an attribute of a noun such as sweet, red, or technical. Any word which we use to describe a noun is called an adjective. Okay, children, we have so many adjectives. We have so many adjectives. Like see here, what are the adjectives? See, types of adjectives. There are 7 here, like compound adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, quantitative adjective, and qualitative adjective. So these are different types of adjectives we have. Yes, but today we are going to learn about 2 types of adjectives. Those are quantitative adjective and qualitative adjective. Are you ready? Show me thumb. Show me thumb. Yes. So let us learn about the quantitative adjective and the qualitative adjective. What is quantitative adjective? Take out the course book page number 1, everyone. Now you take out the course book page number 1. You can even see there all these adjectives. Make it fast. Yes, there are 7 types of adjectives. They are qualitative or descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, distributive, compound. So these are all the different types of adjectives we have. But today we are going to learn quantitative and qualitative adjective. What is quantitative adjective? Adjectives are the adjectives that describe measurements. It describes the measurements, quantity, how much, how many, some, few. So these are all the examples of measurements. Here we use these quantitative adjectives, all the measurement, the words which we use to measure something are called quantitative adjective. The count or amount of different objects. For example, see here how much or how many. Yes, how much or how many. Here we will show the amount here, some amount or some count. How much money do you have? So we will give a count here 1,000. So that comes under quantitative adjective. Now see here some of the examples of quantitative adjectives. Some, few, little, most, all, no, enough, any, whole, sufficient, none, etc. When you are going to give some number or some amount or some count, then these words comes under quantitative adjective. Now let us see what is the meaning of Ashish Reddy. Now what is the meaning of qualitative adjective? What is a qualitative adjective? Quality. It gives the quality. It describes the quality of something. Children, when we go for the shopping or when we go to purchase something, what we will focus on? We'll focus on the quality. We'll first see whether it is a good quality or not. Yes or no? Have you ever went with your parents for the shopping to purchase clothes or some other things? Yes. How? What they will do? They'll be observing the quality, whether the cloth is good or not. Yes or no? Yes. It works. It like the life of that particular thing is good or not. So they'll be observing the quality. So here the quality of people, the quality of places, and the quality of things comes under qualitative adjectives. So what are the examples here? Quality of a person. How can you see? You can see the quality of a person like tall. You can tell, how is the man? He's very tall. How is he? He's very fat. How is he? He's very short. So these are all the words which we describe for a person by using a quality. We are, yes, so these are called qualitative adjectives. For example, see, next one you can take, how is the ball? Ball is a thing. Is it a thing or a person? Tell me. Still children are joining. Why? I don't know. Is there any network issue? Okay, now tell me, unmute yourself and tell me, ball is a thing or a person? Thing. So here ball, yes. So you can describe the ball. Yes, you can also give yes, you can also give a word for the ball. How is the ball? The ball is round. What? Yes, how? What is the color of the ball? You can also tell the color. Okay. Or for example, places. If you are visiting a place, a very beautiful place, you can take the example of Taj Mahal or any other fort or any other monument. So what you will be describing, like it is amazing, fantastic, beautiful, superb. So all these gives the quality of a place. So when we are describing a person here or giving a quality of a people, place and thing, these all words comes under qualitative adjective. How many? Yes. How many apples would you like to eat? 1, 2, 3. Very good. So you are giving out a number. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. You are giving out some number. So that number, that count comes under what? That count comes under quantity or quality? Tell me.
Quantity.
Yes, quantity. Very good. Now see here. Very good, children. So now see here. There are few more examples we have. She is a girl of few words. She is a girl of few words. So few is, yes, in a bold letter. See that few? Yes, Pranav, you raised hand.
Ma'am,
Huh.
I cannot see the screen.
No, I didn't share the screen now.
Ma'am, first.
Oh, maybe there is a network issue with you.
No, ma'am.
But everyone can see. Children, you can see the video, no? Sorry, screen, no? You are unable to see the screen? Oh God, then why don't you say?
You are sharing the screen, we can see, but we cannot see the lesson.
Okay, okay. Now I'll share you again. Don't worry. Now can you see? Now are you able to see? Okay, fine. Okay, children. So these are the 7 types of adjectives we were discussing. And see here, there are few more examples here. Ashoka was a brave king. So we are describing a person here. So quality, we are showing how is he? Yeah, he is very brave. So it is a qualitative adjective. Read out the next sentence. You can unmute. Aryan. Aryan.
Ashoka was
Aryan.
Rani Lakshmi Bai died.
Last year. I don't know. Aishani. Aishani, unmute.
Ma'am,
Read the next third sentence you read.
ma'am, I don't have books, ma'am. Now my father went to bring books, ma'am.
Oh, good. Nirvi. Nirvi.
Rani Lakshmi Bai died a glorious death.
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Died a glorious
Glorious, glorious.
glorious death.
Okay, what is that glorious?
Qualitative adjective.
Yes, good. Qualitative adjective. Next, Rohan. Rohan. Samanyu. Read the next one. Fourth one, read out the sentence. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. I did not find any book.
I did not find any book. Can you find any adjective there?
Yes, ma'am. Quantitative adjective.
What is that word? Read out the word.
Any.
Any. Good. Yes. Huria, read the next one.
Huh? Yeah, ma'am. We ate some rice yesterday.
And what is an adjective in that sentence?
Quantitative adjective.
Yeah, some is a quantitative adjective. Very good. Sannidhi,
Ma'am.
read the next one.
I love my white shirt.
I love my.
I love my white shirt.
Yes. What is an adjective in that sentence?
Brown.
Huh? White. And that is a qualitative or quantitative? Yes?
Qualitative.
Yes. Okay. Viraj, yes, Viraj, read the next one.
He has lost all his wealth.
Okay. So what is an adjective?
Quantitative adjective.
What is that word?
All.
All. Okay, good. So children, now you have to open page number 5 of your course book. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words given in the box. Note each word. Use each word only once. Dash of my examinations. Here we have some words you have to select. Dash of my examinations are over. Dash of my examinations are over. Select a word from there. What happened? Unmute yourself and tell me. Most of my examinations are over, okay? But you should remember, children, you should not repeat the word twice, okay? Come on, try it. Radhika wants dash biscuits as she is hungry.
Some.
Okay.
Some.
Some. Okay. Her brother and dash money to start his own business.
Sufficient.
Enough.
Enough money. Yes. Are you sure?
Sufficient.
Sufficient. Yes.
Sufficient.
This pen has dash ink to finish my homework.
Sufficient.
Huh? No ink.
Enough. Enough.
No ink. Next one. Your explanation was not
Enough.
enough. Children, anybody? See, everyone has written, or still anybody is pending? Fifth bit.
Completed, ma'am.
Fifth bit there. You have to write.
Ma'am.
Just
Ma'am,
one second.
second bit was there for the chapter.
Ma'am, what is meaning of
Just
Ma'am,
one
page
second.
number
I will
17.
write it. I will write it on the board, beta. 1 second. Hmm? Okay. Can you see the screen, children? Show me thumb. Can you see the screen? Yes. Few students, they told that they have not completed. So let us write here. A. What you wrote? First you write date, beta, there. 11 and 11. And then classwork. Near fifth bit, you have to write this date and classwork. Next, A. Dash of my examination. Examinations are over. So, what we have written here? What we have written, children, tell me.
Most.
So, first letter should be capital and write there most. And B. What we have written, Radhika wants dash biscuits as she is hungry. Yes, some biscuit. And next, her brother had dash money to start his own business.
Sufficient.
Okay, sufficient. Sufficient. Children, again and again, this is twice I'm telling, don't keep it pending, write it fast. And this pen has dash ink to finish my homework. No, okay. And E. Your explanation was not enough. Now, children, what you have to do, you should tell me what is in these words, which is qualitative and which is quantitative. Most, what is most?
Quantitative.
Quantitative. Okay, some?
Quantitative.
Sufficient? Sufficient? Very good. Quantitative. No? No?
Qualitative.
No quality is there. All these are quantitative only. Most quantity, some quantity, sufficient quantity, no quantity, enough quantity. All these are quantitative adjectives. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. And now see, children, take out the page number 6.
Ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Yes. Who is that?